Hi guys, I just wanted to show you something. I know you guys end up seeing this screen a lot. Part of the problem is this. It sometimes means that you're actually not logged into your Zoom. So what you need to do, if this comes up, hit the X and it'll ask you, do you want to leave this meeting? Now when it says leave the meeting, click on it. The next thing you have to do is you have to sign in with Google with your MIDI Pride. So it'll be sign in with Google. And for me, I don't have MIDI Pride, mine's different. So I would click on me, or I'd have to put in my MIDI Pride email. And now leave this window open and go to our classroom. Go to your Google Classroom. Now, when you hit it, it'll let you into the meeting. See? All right, so I hope that helps. Hope you guys get in.